Have you ever tried to cook something with beer? Today we're gonna do pork tenderloin with grape and beer sauce. Now the last thing to do is to cut in half the pork tenderloin. We're ready to go. The rosemary is already releasing all these aromas, and now we're gonna put the pork tenderloin on the pan. More or less half glass of beer in the pan, and the rest for the chef. So good. Now we add the walnuts and the grapes. In the same pan we cook the pork with the beer. And now let's add some balsamic vinegar to the sauce. 1 spoon is enough. And the last touch is a little bit of our grape and beer sauce on top of the tenderloin. Our pork tenderloin with grape and beer sauce is ready. Don't forget to follow our channels and let us know in the comments what are the recipes you want to see in the next videos. Now, let's try it. Delicious, tender, juicy, and the beer really gives something more to the dish.